Welcome to the introduction of Embracing the Smart Home Revolution. Technology is rapidly advancing, and our homes are evolving with it. Smart homes, once a futuristic concept, are quickly becoming a reality. These homes are equipped with interconnected devices that can be controlled remotely, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more comfortable. From smart lighting and thermostats to voice-activated assistants and advanced security systems, smart home technology is transforming the way we interact with our living spaces. Imagine a home where lights automatically adjust to the time of day, creating the perfect ambiance. Picture a refrigerator that orders groceries when you're running low, or a thermostat that learns your preferences and optimizes energy consumption. The rise of smart homes is driven by the increasing availability of affordable smart devices, the widespread adoption of high-speed internet, and the growing desire for convenience and connectivity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast eager to embrace the latest innovations or simply curious about how smart homes can enhance your life, join us as we unlock the secrets of these intelligent living spaces. Now, let's dive into the technology behind the magic in connecting your life. At the heart of every smart home is a network of interconnected devices that communicate with each other and with you. This network, often referred to as the Internet of Things or IoT, enables seamless data exchange and control, bringing intelligence to everyday objects. Imagine your coffee maker starting automatically as you wake up, or your blinds opening gradually to greet the morning sun. One of the key technologies enabling this interconnectedness is wireless communication. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Zigbee are commonly used protocols that allow devices to communicate wirelessly, eliminating the need for complex wiring and making it easier to add or remove devices as needed. Another crucial aspect of smart home technology is cloud computing. Cloud platforms provide the infrastructure and services necessary to store, process, and analyze the vast amounts of data generated by smart home devices. Voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri have become increasingly popular in smart homes, providing a convenient and intuitive way to control devices and access information using voice commands. Moving forward to glimpsing the future in smart homes beyond imagination. The future of smart homes is brimming with exciting possibilities. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative solutions that will further enhance our comfort, convenience, and well-being. One of the most anticipated trends in smart home technology is the development of more sophisticated and personalized AI-powered assistants. These assistants will go beyond simple voice commands, learning your habits, preferences, and even your emotional state to provide a truly personalized living experience. Another exciting development is the integration of robotics into smart homes. We can expect to see robots that perform household chores, provide companionship, and even assist with healthcare tasks. The future of smart homes also holds the promise of enhanced energy efficiency and sustainability. Smart homes will play a crucial role in creating a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Finally, let's explore the impact of smart homes in transforming everyday living. The widespread adoption of smart home technology has the potential to transform the way we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. From increasing convenience and efficiency to improving safety and security, smart homes offer numerous benefits that can enhance our quality of life. One of the most significant impacts of smart homes is the increased convenience they offer. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and appliances with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Smart homes automate mundane tasks, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. Smart homes also have the potential to improve our health and well-being. Imagine a home that monitors your sleep patterns, tracks your fitness progress, and even reminds you to take your medication. Moreover, smart homes can enhance our safety and security. Section 5. Benefits of smart homes: efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind. Smart homes offer a wide range of benefits that can significantly enhance our lives, from increased efficiency and comfort to improved safety and peace of mind. One of the most tangible benefits of smart homes is increased energy efficiency. Smart thermostats, for instance, can learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically throughout the day, ensuring optimal comfort while minimizing energy waste. Similarly, Smart lighting systems can automatically turn lights on and off based on occupancy and ambient light levels, reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Smart homes also offer unparalleled comfort and convenience. Imagine controlling your home's temperature, lighting, and entertainment systems with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Moreover, smart homes provide peace of mind, knowing that your home and loved ones are safe and secure. Smart security systems can include features such as motion detectors, door and window sensors, and surveillance cameras, all accessible remotely through your smartphone. Section 6. Challenges of smart homes, addressing privacy and security concerns. While smart homes offer numerous benefits, it's essential to acknowledge and address the potential challenges they present, particularly concerning privacy and security. As our homes become more connected and data-driven, it's crucial to ensure that our personal information is protected and that our privacy is respected. One of the primary concerns with smart homes is the potential for data breaches and unauthorized access. As smart devices collect and transmit vast amounts of data about our daily lives, it's crucial to ensure that this data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. Choosing reputable brands with strong security measures in place is paramount. Another concern is the potential for misuse of personal information. It's vital to understand how smart home device manufacturers collect, store, and use our data. Reading privacy policies carefully and opting out of data sharing programs when possible can help mitigate these risks. Section 7. The evolving landscape, smart homes in a connected world. The smart home landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging at a rapid pace. As our homes become more connected and integrated into the broader Internet of Things, or IoT, we can expect to see even more seamless and intuitive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. One of the key trends shaping the future of smart homes is the increasing convergence of technologies. We are witnessing the integration of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing, resulting in more intelligent and personalized smart home experiences. Another significant trend is the rise of edge computing, where data processing and analysis occur closer to the source, on the devices themselves or on local networks. This reduces latency, improves responsiveness, and enhances privacy by minimizing the amount of data transmitted to the cloud. Section 8. Embracing the future. Are you ready for a smart home? As smart home technology becomes increasingly sophisticated and accessible, it's natural to wonder if you're ready to embrace this technological revolution. The decision to transform your house into a smart home is personal, depending on your needs, preferences, budget, and comfort level with technology. Start by assessing your current living situation and identifying areas where smart home technology could provide tangible benefits. Are you looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance security, or simply make your life more convenient? Understanding your needs and priorities will guide you in choosing the right smart home devices and systems. Next, consider your budget and the level of investment you're comfortable making. Smart home devices can range in price from affordable smart bulbs and plugs to more expensive smart appliances and security systems. Start with a few essential devices and gradually expand your smart home ecosystem as your budget allows. Section 9. Making smart choices. Tips for choosing the right smart home devices. With a plethora of smart home devices available, choosing the right ones for your needs can seem overwhelming. Here are some tips to help you make informed decisions and create a smart home ecosystem that seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. 1. Prioritize your needs. Identify the areas of your home where smart technology can provide the most significant benefits. Are you looking to enhance security, improve energy efficiency, or simplify daily tasks? 2. Consider compatibility. Ensure that the devices you choose are compatible with your existing smart home ecosystem, if you have one. Check for compatibility with popular platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. 3. Research and compare. Read reviews, compare features, and consider factors like ease of use, reliability, and security before making a purchase. Look for devices from reputable brands with a proven track. Section 10. Conclusion. Stepping into a smarter tomorrow. The future of living is undeniably smart. Smart homes, powered by interconnected devices and intelligent systems, are transforming the way we interact with our living spaces, offering unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and transformative solutions that will further blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. By embracing these technological advancements and making informed choices about the devices we integrate into our homes, we can create living spaces that are not only intelligent, but also responsive to our needs and preferences. Embrace the future of living and unlock the full potential of your home with the power of smart technology.